We all know different people have different mindset, different aspects regarding the life. They get inspired from an influencer, a youth icon, or anyone. They also get inspired from a quote, from a saying. The quote which I admire the most is given by Richard Branson, and that quote is: if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you are not sure you can do it, say yes. Then learn to do it later on. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ankit. Again, I'm here with my new topic, and today's topic is the quote which admires you most. I hope you all are fine and doing great at your houses, because this is a tough time for us as well. COVID 19 at its worst, and we need to be very careful right now. So, why I'm saying that if someone offers you an opportunity, grab it from both the end, because I'm a yes person. I always want to say yes when opportunity comes in at my door. I always want to grab that opportunity, no matter what happen later on. I just want to grab that opportunity, because once you start grabbing the opportunity, you continuously improve yourself to achieving your success and to improve your mindset regarding growth. Because once you start saying yes, you will see that your confidence will increase more and more and more. You will become self motivated. You achieving your goal in your life as easily as can anyone else. So always start say yes, because once you start saying, the life will become easy for you, because at that time you taking opportunity from both the end. We all know that we have a mentor, influencer, a youth icon for us, so that they get us a clear vision regarding our goal or something else. So if not a mentor, if not a youth icon, then must be a quote or saying, so that by reading that you motivate yourself again and again and again. And in my life, that quote was you heard from mine above. So always have a quote in your life, so that you can read it and motivate you again and again and again. Because once you motivated, then you do your work as easily as can anyone else. You will do the work very efficiently. So always have that quote in your life to admire you, to motivate you. And please tell me, guys, which quote you admire the most in the comment box. Thank you.